In this video, I'm going to show you different aspects of the Contact Manager. There's a lot here, and I don't have enough time to cover everything. You're just going to need to get in and explore it. You're going to love it. It's quite amazing. Very, very robust system. Here's an example of some people that have come to the sites and filled out forms, and the system collects their information. You can also import contacts. It's really easy to do right here. Add new contact. You go in and you can add one at a time, or you can use the bulk import utility. Isn't that great? You can do that, and then when the contacts fill out a form on the site, they're brought in as a new prospect. So you can take these prospects. There's personal contacts. Let's take that. I'll click on that. Here's 3, and I can select all of them, or I can go up here and select all like that, and I can perform an action. I can move them to another category. I can enroll them into an autoresponder series. I can export them. I can send an email to all 3 of them. I can begin a dialing session, transfer to another leader. Isn't this great? So I take these 3, for example. Let's just say move to, and I'm going to move them back to new prospects, submit, and look what happens. Here it is, new prospects. Here it is. Isn't that great? I love this. Dusty Rose. See, look at this. Isn't this great? Look at this. Mom's page, 40 minutes. Diet page, 141 minutes, 22 seconds. iProfit Now, 106 minutes, 4 seconds. So it tells you the kind of activity that you've been getting with that contact on your landing page. Any interaction? Here it is. Any emails? Here it is. Notes are right here. You could put right here. If you're talking to them on the phone, keep notes right here. Contact information right here. You can put additional information. You can assign them a new group here individually. You can also set up different fields, custom fields. You can go to social media. What's their Facebook URL? LinkedIn, Twitter. You put them here. You can view property and see where they're living. Isn't this great? By the way, here's my house right here. This is our property. We live right by some vineyards. You'll see the vineyards off here, beautiful vineyards. We're on 1 acre of property right here. So that's how that works. Isn't that cool? Let me go back. I'll show you something else about the contacts. I'll go to follow up. And right here, you can schedule an appointment, send email, add note, update prospect status. So I go over here to send an email. I'll select this, and here it is. I can select pre-made emails right here, left voicemail, schedule follow-up. You can create your own one-touch emails right here. And we have these in the system already for you, but you can create your own. Also, you can click on custom time, and you can set the email to go out. Let's say you just finished talking to somebody, and you can set the email to go out a week later from now, from when you talk to them, to remind them about something you talked about, or maybe sent them a package or a product sample, or you gave them a little more time to read more information that you sent them. You can set up a custom time to send out an email 2-3 days later, 30 days later, 6 months later. Doesn't matter. Isn't this amazing? So you can set this up, and here's what I love about this. Right here, I can put my own video in here. I'll do this, and I'll go into the media library. You have the media library. You can put your own photo, documents, audio, video in your own media library, and then you can use it to send to people. I'm going to go to video right here, source. Let's do this. Click on this, and I'll go to the team folder. And let's go to, just for example, training. And here's some of my training videos right here that I'm doing. So you can select the training video. I can select the thumbnail. Here it is. Or text link, and I'm going to insert it. There it is. So you can send somebody an email with the video. This is so cool. One more thing I'll show you, and go back into the contacts. Great feature is you can go to the advanced search right here, and you can choose the category, first name, last name, notes, rating, time zone, area code. Let's say you're having an event near Las Vegas or something. You can find anybody in your contact list that's near a certain zip code or even time zone or country. You can do that, search for them, and then bring those contacts up and then manage them by selecting them, all of them or several of them or one of them, and then go to perform action. And this is where you can do things like I said, enroll them. For example, here's a roll into. I'm going to enroll them into the new prospect series 1, 2, or 3. Here's some autoresponders that come with your system. You can build your own autoresponders out as well. And there are some autoresponder scripts that we're going to show you that you can take advantage of. So you do that, you click on submit, and it would automatically enroll them into that autoresponder series. Now let's say I'm going over here to Clarence, and you're on the phone with Clarence, and they say they're not interested or there's no answer. Right here, you can use this rapid response system where it takes emails that have been already pre-made, one-touch emails, and then it places them in this navigation, and you can, for example, click on no answer, and it will automatically send an email to that person. Look at that. Email sent, Clarence, I tried calling. Isn't that great? So you can set all these up ahead of time. It's really easy to do. You just simply go into your resources and go to rapid response settings. You can also create one-touch emails, so that way you don't have to keep on recreating emails. Right here, busy signal, invite to presentation, left voicemail. Here's the message, left voicemail. See that? Puts the prospect's name, phone number, your signature. You can edit this, save this. You can create any number of these that you want. And then it just simplifies things so much, because when you're managing your contacts, you're going through speed dialing through the list. Then you can just simply click on the one-touch email and it will send to your contact without having to type it all out. It will save you a lot of time in managing your contacts.